Syariana binti Rajab. I will do part A, question 1. So, the question is, Hafiz invested RM3,200 in a saving account paying 6% compounded quarterly for 5 years. Find the compound amount and the interest earned at the end of the investment period. We need to use the formula S equal to P1 plus I powered by N. In the question, we can see that P is RM3,200. K is 0.06. M is 12 divided 3. So we can get the answer M is 4. T is for time. That means T is 5 years. S is equal P1 plus K per M powered by MT. The calculation is S equal to 3,200, 1 plus 0.06 divided 4 powered by 4 and 5. We can solve S equal to 3,200, 1 plus 0.015 powered by 20. The answer is S equal to Rm 4,309.94. Next, we need to search interest earned. We can use formula I equal to S minus P. I equal to Rm 4,309.94 minus Rm 3,200. The answer is I equal to Rm 1,109.94.
Hakim received a bonus of RM25,000 and he will invest it for 5 years. So, he has two options. One, option X, 5.95% compounded monthly, and 2, option Y, 6.1% compounded quarterly. So, our task is calculate the future amount and interest earned for both options. Option X, 5.95% compounded monthly, we use the compound interest formula. S equal to P1 plus I root M. P equal to 25,000, I equal to 0.0595 per 12, and equal to 12 multiplied 5 equal to 60. So, we put all the number into the formula and we got the answer. The future amount is 33,637 ringgit and 47 cents. Interest earned I equal to 33,637 ringgit and 47 cents minus 25,000 equal to 8,637 ringgit and 47 cents. Option Y, 6.1% compounded quarterly, I equal to 0.061 per 4. Number of period is N equal to 4 multiplied 5 equal to 20. So we put all the number into the formula and we got the answer. Future amount equal to 33,837 ringgit and 63 cents. Interest earned I equal to 33,837 ringgit and 63 cents minus 25,000 equal to 8,837 ringgit and 63 cents. Part 2. When comparing the interest earned, option X 8,637 ringgit and 47 cents, option Y 8,837 ringgit and 63 cents. Option Y provide a higher interest, making it better investment for Hakim. Therefore, I recommend Hakim to choose option Y, Unity Islamic Bank, because it gives a higher return over the same period.
Part B, question 1. Rizman made a 10% down payment to purchase an office lot price at Rm 749,000. The remaining balance was financed through a bank loan to be repaid in equal monthly installment of Rm 7,000 with an interest rate of 2.5% compounded monthly. Question number 1. Calculate the number of equal payments required. Question number 2. After completing payments for 3 months, Rizman fails to make the subsequent 2 monthly installment. How much is the buyer required to pay in the 3rd month to settle all the outstanding arrears? First, we need to clarify which is the A, M, N, R, and K. So for the A, we have to search. For K is 2.5 divided by 100 equal to 0.025. The M is 12 because compounded monthly. R is Rm 7,000 and the N we have to search by using log later on. So let's find the answer. First, we need to search for the A because in this question, said that Rizman made 10% down payment at Rm 749,000. So the 749,000 minus in the bracket 10 over 100 P 7,149,000 equal to 7,149,000. After got the answer, 749,000 and minus 1,000 minus 749,000 equal to 674,100 as the A. Next, we put information into the formula A equal to R in the bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, bracket power negative of N. We solve it with the A 674,100 equal to 7,000 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.025 over 12 power negative of N divide by 0.025 over 12. After that, we bring the 7,000 to the left and divide by 674,100, and in the bracket we settle one by one. Use calculator. 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.025 divide by 12 power negative of n, and we get the answer 1 minus 0.002083333 power negative of n divide by 0.025 over 12. The answer of 674,100 divided by 7,000 equal to 96.3. Bring the 0.025 over 12 to the left, so it will turn to 96.3. Be 0.025 over 12 equal to 1 minus 1.002083333 power negative of n. Next, we have to solve the 96.3 piece 0.025 divided by 12. Next, we have to solve the 96.3 piece 0.025 divided by 12, and we get 0.200625 minus 1 equal to negative 1.002083333 power negative of n. When we settle the minus 1, we get negative 0.799375 equal to negative 1.002083333 power negative of n. More, we have to use log to search for the n. So n equal to log in the bracket 0.799375 divided by log in the bracket 1.002083333. Next, we get the answer n equal to 107.5959921, and we minimize, we get n equal to 108. Number 2, use formula S equal to R in the bracket 1 plus I close the bracket power of n minus 1 divided by I. The S and N is 3 because this month failed to subsequent 2 months, so at the third month, we have to search how much he should pay. So, S3 equal to 7,000 in the bracket 1 plus 0.025 over 12 power of 3 minus 1 and divide by 0.025 over 12. We settle in the bracket first, so we get S3 equal to 7,000 in the bracket 0.006263303 divided by 0.025 over 12. Like usual, we settle first in the bracket. We get the answer S3 equal to 7,000 piece in the bracket 3.0062544, and the final answer we get is RM21043.78.
Question 2 part 2. Ilyasa purchased a new motorcycle priced at 38,000. He paid a 5% down payment for the motorcycle and the balance was financed by a bank at 3.97% per annum compounded monthly. The loan required monthly payment of 477 and 15 cents for 5 years. First question, if Ilyasa missed the first 2 monthly payment, calculate how much he must pay on the third month to settle the overdue payment and interest. A equal to 38,000 times C4.95 equal to 36,100 ringgit. K equal to C4.C4397, M equal to 12, T equal to 5, R equal to 477 and 15 cent ringgit. I equal to K per M, C4.C4397 per 12. N equal to MT, so it can be 12 times 5 equal to 16. Let's find S3. S3 equal to R, bracket 1 plus I, bracket, square root, negative 1 per I, bracket. S3 equal to 477 and 15 cent ringgit, bracket 1 plus C4, bracket, square root, negative 1 per C4.C4397 per 12, bracket. So we can get the answer for S3 is RM 1,437 and 24 cents. Question 2. Immediately after paying the 50 years monthly payment, Ilyasa wants to settle the balance of the debt and with a single payment. How much should this payment be? Answer. Number paid equal to 12 times 5, negative 50 equal to 10. A equal to R, bracket 1 negative bracket 1 I plus I, bracket negative N, bracket. A equal to 477 and 50 cents, bracket 1 negative bracket 1 plus C4.C4397 per 12, bracket power of negative 10. C4.C4397 per 12, bracket. So the answer is RM 4,689 and 25 cents.